Today, our adventure takes us 5 kilometers north of Malindi town to a quiet, breathtaking wonder, the Sabaki Estuary, where the great River Sabaki finally meets the Indian Ocean. A place where water, sun and sky merge in ways you've never imagined. Our goal today, to find the elusive flamingos of the Kenyan coast.
Vijana mko sawa? Kwa nyumbani.
The River Sabaki mouth marks the point where Kenya's largest second river empties into the Indian Ocean. We walk through the mangrove looking ahead at our driver who seems to know the area well. A tour guide would have added depth to the stories of this place, but today we're letting nature tell its own story. I didn't pick up, but I'm okay. Sabaki Estuary stretches nearly 6 kilometers, a mosaic of seasonal pools, sandbanks, and lush mangrove edges. It's hard to believe this world expanse sits right next to the Indian Ocean. Every footstep sinks slightly into the soft terrain, the sun warming the wet ground beneath us. Amazing that it's just adjacent to the ocean. The Sabaki watermouth is one of Kenya's most important bird areas. That is why we are here today, in search of flamingos at the coast. Are they any different from the ones in the Rift Valley lakes? Come, let us go and see. Photography here is amazing, especially with the dunes, and the contrast of sand and ocean hues. But the focus here was to get to the birds as well and to see how the river and lake meet. A clear, distinct separation was notable from afar as some places seemed inaccessible. The area is also an important nesting, feeding and breeding ground for terns and gulls. A total of 67 bird species have been recorded here, of which some are large visiting stocks of the Madagascar plantico. And there they are, flamingos. Their pink silhouettes flicker like brushstrokes on a watercolor paint. Not many, but enough to feel the magic. Are they the same as the ones in Lake Elementaita or Naivasha? The coast whispers a different story. The estuary's turbid coastal waters are an important nursery ground for crustaceans and fish, while its sandy shores on both sides are breeding grounds for turtles. We move quietly, hoping not to startle them. The light catches their feathers, softer pink, elegant necks bending into the water. This must be the lesser flamingos, more vibrant than their greater cousins. Sabaki is more than a river mouth. It's an entire ecosystem. A nursery of fish, a sanctuary of birds, a breeding ground for turtles. Hippos and crocodiles call this place home too. Nature lives boldly here, in full color and motion. Beyond the beauty, the estuary provides. By the way, I haven't seen any hotels on this beach today. Does anyone know why? Fishing and ecotourism are lifelines for the communities nearby. It's a place where livelihoods, conservation and culture meet. You feel the rhythm of life differently out here. We linger longer than we planned. The sound of a distant airplane overhead reminds us that Malindi is close. But here at the edge of Kenya's wild waters, it feels like another world. The flamingos wait silently, undisturbed by our curiosity. Another quiet gem uncovered on Kenya's coast. Another reminder that nature always has one more story to tell. From the Rift Valley lakes to the estuary plains, the flamingos have their secrets. Today we witnessed a few. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and always follow the trails that lead you to tales worth telling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures. The day ended slowly as we drove back, watching the sun go down. Truly, it was a good day.